will see the science behind it. This experiment is very dangerous. It involves fire. Make sure you have your parents with you to help. And other thing is to have safety gears first. For this we need 4 grams of sugar and 1 gram of baking soda. I am going to take the baking soda and put it into the sugar and start mixing it. I have taken an aluminium cup. I am taking solid fuel here and I am putting 1 tablet into the cup. For this experiment, I used solid fuel. If you don't have solid fuel, you can use a ceramic bowl of sand and some liquid fuel. I am going to take 2 teaspoons of the baking soda and sugar and put it in the center of the solid fuel. Now friends, this is the dangerous part. Take a stick to light the solid fuel. Keep a safe distance from the experiment. Wow! Watch how the snake is being formed. Look how light and feathery the snake is. What happened? What really happened when we put fire into these materials to make something like this? Well, it has to do with carbon, elements of baking soda and fire all put together combined to form a reaction. The 2 reactions we saw are combustion reaction and decomposition reaction that happen to both the baking soda and the sugar. First, let's start with sugar. When sugar was exposed to flame, it goes through an oxidative process where the end products are carbon dioxide and water. This is called the combustion reaction as long as it happens in the presence of oxygen. However, in this case, with the lack of oxygen, a different process happened. Here, the sugar decomposed and formed an element of black carbon. Another component is when baking soda is exposed to a higher temperature. The baking soda decomposes and releases a ton of carbon dioxide gas into the air. A lot of you must have noticed when the snake was created, it kept on moving upwards. That's because of all the carbon dioxide gas, bubbles and water vapor that was trapped during the decomposition reaction. Hope you all enjoyed the video and enjoyed the experiment. Click the like button and the subscribe button.